I just found out that today is the award show for Hollywood Unlocked. You know, I love me some Jason Lee. I just FaceTime today, like, cause B Simone, I called her like, where you at? Well, I texted where you at. She said LA for the day. So I'm finna link with her after I get my little hair touched up, real quick. Cause y'all know I participated in the event the last year or whenever I did it, when I was pregnant. But yeah, I didn't. I'm so out of touch right now. I'm getting back to the gist of things. A lot of people think I live in Baltimore. I don't. I live in LA. I just had to get my probation out the way. But I'm still attending to support Jason Lee. I'm so proud of him. This is consistent. He does this every year. This is cool. And I'm going with my best friend. She funny as hell. You know what I mean? Cause like every time I see her, it's like we never left. Like I love her. I love B Simone. It's like going. I went with Funny Marco to prom. Kept a smile on my face. She gonna keep a smile on my face tonight. She's just funny. I'm just so excited for today. That's just to give y'all the little heads up. And shout out to everybody that's really showing love and know like all that stuff is clip farming and fake too. I mean, I'm out of touch with everything right now. It's because I cut off a lot of communications with all my business assets with people, places, and things. I'm kind of out of touch right now, but I'm getting back in the gist of it for real. You know, I'm telling you, I was listening to a man that's kept telling me stay in the house, stop answering your phone. No, you can't go. No, you can't go. So I'm doing my little rounds for real. Today I will be at the award show. No, I will not be a part of it. Usually I would have. Jay Sleep was like, you abandoned me, like, you know. But he like, I still got you a seat, all that. So I was just talking to him, chopping up to him. He like, all right, we're gonna catch up. I love him down. He's such a cool person. Anyway. Yeah, I'm saying like I'm out of touch with a lot of things because I have been back outside. I get my schedule for the venues and stuff where I would be like, you know, hosting it, and in like a couple days to a week. So all I gotta do is just be patient. Get back to not going outside, but really just being present. You know, I'm telling you, bro. That's all I kept doing when I was Chrisean, when I first started. I was present. I was here. I was everywhere. I was myself, authentically, unapologetically myself. Everybody that's trying to come for me with this hate stuff, like I owe you an explanation or you got something to say on TikTok. Again, you on TikTok, man. If you don't boss up and be somebody. So the next people on TikTok can talk about you because you work so hard for your craft and not be all you is you know? Like, I don't know. Everybody just coming at me for real. But it's cool though. It's alright. I don't care. Shout out to Sexy Red, yeah. Thank you for hitting me up for real. It'd be crazy because you could tell, like, they know, you know what I'm saying? Like, she know, like, she feel me. And I just appreciate her support for real. And her never switching up, even when she blew up and kept blowing up and kept blowing up. She the same person. She always kept the G, for real. I love me some Sexy Red, for real. Like, she, like, man, it don't even gotta be the music part, cause you know, like everybody can make fire music and be trending and be popping. It's her soul, like Trench Baby soul, like authentically herself, unapologetically. Y'all be trying to come for her because of whatever, how our brand is or what's going on with her. I don't know. It's just like I feel like if a lot of y'all just boss up, mind your business, and keep it pushing. It don't matter what the next person doing, saying, singing, whatever, bro. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? The goal is to feed your family. To make sure you straight. feel me? And that you're safe. And loved by and be popping. It's her soul, like Trench baby soul, like authentically herself, unapologetically. Y'all be trying to come for her because of whatever, how our brand is or what's going on with her. I don't know. It's just like, I feel like if a lot of y'all just boss up, mind your business and keep it pushing. It don't matter what the next person doing, saying, singing, whatever, bro. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? The goal is to feed your family. To make sure you straight. You feel me? And that you're safe. And loved by, you know, who you're supposed to be loved by. Not, like, who are y'all? Y'all ain't nobody. And that's crazy. I'm just dealing with it gracefully. Everybody that keep checking on me and keep asking me, am I okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm gonna be honest. I always had it tough though. Like when I was growing up, always had it tough. Always found the way out. First me and Blueface, it was going good till it was toxic, and then I always pressed through. This ain't nothing, bro. This ain't nothing. And a lot of y'all saying that I didn't, like, a lot of, I don't even care. I know how much I grew as a person, maturely, spiritually, like, everything. Like, I matured a lot, like, a lot. You know what I mean? People, whatever. But anyway, I'm just grateful to be who I am for real. And that's the crazy thing. I haven't even gave Yahweh the proper rollout for real. No budget, nothing. I'm going through so much. Like all my focus was on other things, like legal bills, somebody else's bills. Like I was taking care of everybody else but myself. So now that I'm refocusing and I gotta rebrand this and like just give me a couple days. Give me a couple seconds. I'll be straight. I'm already straight. I got a guard on my side. All the people that keep trying to come for me, like I got evil in my heart. I don't. I'm a fighter though. Sure, like you know, I fight for what's mine, but if it's not mine, then it's not mine. I'm gonna let it go. Shoot. But, and everybody that's praying for me in the interviews, I seen in one interview somebody prayed for me. Can't think of his name, but I'm tagged, and if y'all go look at my tags, y'all see this guy. He prayed for me and my child. They don't know what's really going on, so they ain't really speak on too much or said too much or prayed, like, you know. But I appreciate it. I really do. I'm gonna need all the prayers y'all got for real, because I appreciate them. I do. Prayer works. That's one thing I do know, like prayer really works. So I'm appreciative of everybody that's checking on me. And thank you, Jesus Christ. But yeah, that's it. I don't know her name off the top of my head, but because I'm recording on Snapchat, I wish I remember. But I think she got a twin or whatever. But she be with like DDG, and I don't know. She like first she went on. She's like, Chrisean's gonna be at the prom. I'm scared. Why are you scared? Like, why would you say something? Why do people clip farm? Like, people be clip farming my name and disses me or say weird things or victimize themselves and don't even know I'm a real person that got real feelings, right? It's that one. You just passed it. You got to turn around. But, you know, I got real feelings. Like, And it's cool. Nobody care what other people going through, and that's fine. I get it. But I don't appreciate that. Then, I guess Tyloo was like, did you speak to Chrisean? And then she's like, oh yeah, I'll speak to her. And then she spoke to me, but she whispered in my ear, like, giving me props. Like, I can see deep down you're a real good mom. Like, I can see it. Like, you really love your son. Like, that was so sweet what she said. Like, why did you have to, like, clip for me? That's kind of, I don't know. I feel like it's unfair. And the only reason why I'm watching my mouth right now, because I'm just gonna watch my mouth till I don't have to, till I can't watch my mouth no more. So I'm never going. If I put up it has to be somebody I'm messing with, like effing on. Only person I'd be like, oh, I fear sometimes of what they might do. And to me, is my baby dad, because we be going at it, and I know him, and we know each other. Girl, I don't know you. I don't know you, baby girl. I don't know you. So for you to be like, I'm scared of her, is crazy work. Like, who is your Lord and Savior? And then it's like, I don't know. I feel like with a lot of things, I've been getting dissed, like, in my face. Like, all right, so I guess Funny Marco clip farming again. He asked this one dude, ooh, I keep forgetting people's names. Y'all know these people though. But he dissed me because he like, oh, you trying to hit on my girl? And he like, you see what I brung? Like, as if, bro, why you gotta diss me because he's clip farming? That's what I'm talking about. Because when I seen Ka, like in real life, we gave each other dabs, love. It was nothing but love. But when it started to clip farming, y'all keep dissing me. Like, how about everybody that want to clip farm and diss me for clout, line up? Run that fade. Since we want to clip farm and diss, that's what I'm saying. Like, y'all not on that type of time, so stop doing that corny stuff for the internet. That's so weak, and it's so weird, it's so disrespectful, and it's so mean. For real, it is. It really is. I can't even clip farm like that because I'm literally like a natural person. Like, I'm the same person on camera, off camera. Like, what the heck? I'm unapologetically myself. Or whatever, however you say that. Like, what's the dissing for? Like, what's the camera dissing for? Like, for real, like, I'm not ugly. I'm real pretty. I'm not saying the next bitch ugly. I'm not. Oh, yeah. Right here. I'm not saying none of that. But y'all need to stop saying that with me. What the heck? Okay, oh, I'm going through a lot with my baby dad. That's that he be dissing me online, so a lot of people think they could, like, that's what I'm here for people to diss me for clout or clip for. That bad, chill out on that. For real. Next time I'm gonna be so on point, I'm gonna call you out on it on camera.